Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening taskbar settings directly. Right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. You need to unlock the taskbar first if a lock option appears. Unlocking allows movement. If settings are grayed out, make sure you have administrator access or are signed into a local admin account. Once done, scroll to the section that controls taskbar position or behavior so you can change its screen edge quickly and safely. Now change how the taskbar behaves. In Taskbar Settings, find the option labeled Taskbar Location on screen and set it to bottom to remove the top placement, or enable Auto Hide to clear the top edge while keeping the taskbar accessible. Dragging also works on some systems. Click and hold an empty area, then drag to the desired edge. Make sure to confirm or close settings so the system saves the change. Otherwise, the taskbar may revert or remain locked in place. Finish by verifying the taskbar sits at the bottom or hides as expected. Log out and back in if necessary to refresh the shell. If the bar refuses to move, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer to apply changes immediately. Make sure Group Policy or a management profile isn't in forcing position. If so, contact whoever manages the device. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings reset, reboot and then restart Explorer. That resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.